A very good afternoon, YouTube family from Venice here. Let's do a walking tour of Venice. I've been on the gondola and it's a lifetime experience that has been ticked off the bucket list. But now let's do the walking tour of Venice. I'm telling you, they have shops everywhere here. You can do your shopping, you can eat your food. Risto pub, you can drink your beers and Italian beers and all sorts. They even have a hardware shop. Look at this. You can buy your paints. It's a thriving city, this Venice, you know. You can buy your clothing. There are shops here where you can buy your clothing. OVS, Casa Martini, and there are some restaurants. If you're hungry and you want to buy a pizzeria, there are places where you can sit down and have your food. And you know what? I've been wondering why these masks. What are they for? Why do they sell them? What's so special about these masks? If you're watching, please leave in the comment section what you understand about these masks here in Venice. What does it mean? Why do they sell these masks? Yeah, and I'm asking my audience on the YouTube channel, if you know what it means, please leave it in the comment section, and yeah, you can educate some of us. That was a very good laugh with the young lady over there. Bar Ristorante al Gazebo Pizzeria. I tell you, it's such an amazing place, such an amazing experience to come to Venice and experience Italy. They have a pharmacy there, they call it Pharmacia. Gelateria Artigiana. There's a market stand here. There's loads of goodies, vegetables, fruits, and you name it. All sorts. Dried tomatoes. Oh, mushroom. Oh, this looks like telia, the mushroom from Zambia. Wow. You know this mushroom here, it looks like telia.
Yeah, it looks like a Zambian
like our
mushroom.
Zambian mushroom, yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Oh my god, they even got the jet on them. What? Amazing. What's this? Is this a tomato? Oh my god. My first time to see such a giant tomato. Wow, this is huge. And this type here, look at that. What? I can't believe it. I just seen a giant tomato in Venice. Fritto Inn. Fritto Inn. What does it mean here? Is it they sell fritters? And I'm telling you, there's some mouth-watering foods here. Oh my God, look at that pizzeria. What a huge one that is. Wow. Would you like to taste a pizzeria?
Maybe later, yeah.
Maybe later. Okay. Oh, that's huge. What an amazing pizzeria. Ooh.
A lot of pastry foods.
Foto Franco. You know, they sell special glass here. It's called Morano. Is it Morano or Burano? Yeah, decorative kind of artistic glasses. See all these? These are glass. Very decorative, very beautiful. There's some more masks. I'm keen to find out why they sell so much masks. This is the shop. Wow. And there's some kind of hats, these ancient hats. Yeah. Hello.
Ciao.
Ciao. I wanted to find out these masks. Why do you sell so many masks?
Il fresco carnaval è stato in Venice.
Sorry?
Il fresco carnaval
Oh, carnival.
è stato in Venice.
I see. Thank you very much for that information.
Okay, so it's for the
It's for the carnival. All right. So the gentleman has just told us the masks we see for a special carnival that was started here in Venice. All right. No wonder. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for tuning in today. I want to say thank you so much. And if you're watching for the very first time, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the YouTube family. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also give it a like, share the video, press that bell icon for more notification. I will see you in the next video. And the tour continues, Venice.